So today I am reviewing this stainless steel garage shelving unit. This is really nice, has these nice pads up here that make it anti-scratch. It has 2 channels on each side, so you can buy a bunch of these and add them however you want. This one comes with 4 shelves. They're easily removable. You can adjust these anywhere on the channel you want. Then you bolt them in. Can support up to 8,000 pounds. So you just pop these out, and they're flat, which I like. And you can see they have 3 sets of bracing right here, so super strong, especially when put onto the channel. So it has those crosses right there. Comes in around, just like that. Holds whatever you need. Nice to get organized. This is going to be rust preventive. You can see the feet down there. Can hold a ton of stuff. You can adjust them up or down, however many shelves you want. Some of these I did have to like push in a little bit to get these to slide in. It took me like 30 minutes to assemble it. One little tip is these shelves right here are sandwiched together, and I didn't see where the hardware for the bolts and nuts in these were, but they were in between 2 of these. So if you don't think you have your hardware, that's probably where they were. You can see all of the cross bracing right here. This is just, and the stainless steel makes it's going to last forever. See, nice welds on here. I have some previous steel ones that have like that wire basket up top, and it's already sagging. It's just not, this is a much superior product, and I am super happy with this. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it with all my junk, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.